Want a clearer way to anticipate future performance trends in your data? Forecasting helps predict upcoming results based on historical performance, making it easier to spot opportunities, plan ahead, and support data-driven decisions. Let's dive in to see how it works. Open the dashboard or report where your chart is displayed. Hover over a line or area chart. Click the three-dot icon in the top right corner and turn on Forecasting. Once enabled, the chart extends beyond the current reporting period to display projected future performance. You'll see a forecasted value along with a shaded range that highlights optimistic and pessimistic outcomes, giving you a clear view of potential best and worst case scenarios. Forecasting can also be enabled while adding a new widget. Simply add in a line or area chart, open the Display tab, and switch Forecasting on. To turn the feature off at any time, just toggle it back off. That's all it takes to start visualizing future trends and making more informed decisions with forecasting. Looking to plan ahead with greater confidence? Start your free trial with Agency Analytics today and start reporting smarter, not harder.